The blank page or empty screen is agonizing to fill and always will be.
Unless you approach writing as a discipline, and not a task, you'll never see the rainbow for the rain.
The habit of work unlocks the vault marked talent.
When an idea seems especially luminous, never let the fear of failure keep you from trying to capture it in words. When writing becomes torturous, you're trying too hard.
Turn over parts of yourself that scream to be left alone.
There is no single technique to unlock your words, save sitting down and writing.
Some writers can't work without a Dalmatian, a log cabin, the London Philharmonic Orchestra. Whatever works.
Expect, allow, and accept that every first draft will represent your lowest standard. And have it all. First priority, get the first draft cranked out. Groundbreaking work sometimes comes when you least feel like writing.
Take a break. Work your body, take a walk. People who complain that writing is desperate work have never dug a trench under gunfire or tried to cut away a malfunctioning parachute.
Red Smith claimed writing was easy. All you do is sit down at a typewriter and open a vein. Jot down the signposts, then later go back and sketch in the terrain.
Great writing is a mode of transportation.
Take monumental risk.
A story that doesn't challenge the writer won't challenge the reader either. Writer's block often results from beating your brains out trying to punch a hole through a dead end.
As the writer's tools, words are hopelessly inadequate.
The more profound the idea or feeling, the more lacking are the tools for the task.
You can find the right words only when you know exactly how you feel.
Using another writer's words is like wearing someone else's shoes. They'll never fit because they've been broken in on someone else's feet.
For more writing tips, please like, share, and subscribe. Words matter. Spoken quotes, spoken words.